Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lavish bath box for August 2018. Lavish bath box contains, I think it's 6 to 7 bath items, indie bath items every month. It is, after shipping, it ends up being about $46, but if you sign up for longer subscription periods, like 3 months, 6 months, you can get it cheaper. So I think right now I pay $43.90 a month for it. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the box. So when you open it up, this one was packed by Courtney, and then there's a little piece of foam, and then there is the card, which they draw every month. And then underneath of the card are all of the goodies for the month. So this month's theme is Jungle Safari, which I'm just super excited about. The card is really pretty, and it looks like there are a total of 6 items, which I'll go into, and they also have coupon codes for some of the brands if you want to purchase that or other items from them. So the first thing that I'm seeing on here is a Rattlesnake Shake bath bomb. Give him a shake and hear him rattle. This green and gold dusted snake bath bomb is scented in bamboo, Moroccan mint, grapefruit, and soft lily, and it's by Rock Oil Naturals. Oh, that smells really, really nice. Oh, and it does rattle. That's really cool. I saw the brand spoilers, and so I went to one of the brands and I saw this on their page, and so I'm really excited to get it because that's just really cool. And it smells really nice and fresh. Looks like the next thing is a Jungle Lagoon Bubbling Bath Soak by Coppercat Apothecary. Made with Epsom salt and Himalayan sea salts. This bubble soak is scented in a custom blend of jasmine, musk, sugarcane, and blackcurrant with lemongrass and patchouli essential oils, topped with a soap leaf. It's a Lavish exclusive, so that's what the top of it looks like. It's a little jug. So to use, you pour half the container under running bath water and enjoy. So we open it up and give it a sniff. And it is sealed. Ooh, that smells nice. So it is just, oops, don't want to spill it, just the green bath salt soak. It reminds me of like St. Patrick's Day for some reason, but I'm living for it, so. All right. The next item is a Mango Tango Bubble Bar by Peace Love Bath. Go on a bubble hunt by crumbling this fierce lion-shaped bubble bar under the tap. Dusted with shimmering gold and scented in mango and papaya, and it's also a Lavish exclusive. I can't really smell that. I'm not really smelling anything, even though that the package is kind of open on the side. Can't smell anything at all, actually, so hopefully this will have more of a scent when it is crumbled under the bath, but it is super cute and super in the theme. The next item, let me dust it off, is Jungle Jane Dusting Powder by Earth Realm & Co. All natural dusting powder is perfect for the jungle, gym, after bath, or any time. To keep away moisture and protect against skin irritation while keeping you smelling fresh with top notes of citrus and base notes of sandalwood. This is also a Lavish exclusive, and it doubles as a dry shampoo. Let's see. Oh, I have to push this in. I'm not going to be able to open it and smell it right now, but it's like a chafing powder basically. Or you could use it as dry shampoo. I don't really wear dry shampoo, but I will definitely find a use for it, and I wish I could. You have to push out, you have to push here to push it open, and I just don't have the strength to do it without a tool, so I will let you know down in the box below how it smells, or if it smells good. Alright, the next thing is a Leaf Me Be bath bomb. Sorry, I don't know why that took me a minute to understand. By Soothing Sloth. This green and blue bath bomb will leave you feeling caught in the jungle rain with its aroma of crisp thunderstorms mixed with calming eucalyptus essential oils. Oh, I can kind of smell that through the package. It really smells like aromatherapy. Now it is kind of crumbled, so I'm gonna have to be careful when I open it, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter because once you put it in the bathtub, it all disintegrates anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. I got something from the Soothing Sloth Soap Company in my Bath Bevy box for August. It was orange and red. I really enjoyed it. So anyway. And then the last item is a Monkey Business Sugar Scrub by Small Batch Soaps. Despite its name, this scrub is the real deal. Exfoliating, cleansing, and moisturizing with avocado and coconut oils and organic cane sugar scented in sweet, juicy banana fruit. Ooh, I love banana. This is also a Lavish exclusive. So there's 4 Lavish exclusives out of the 6. And this has a seal down the back. So let's see how it smells. Oh, wow. That smells really good. It smells like banana and citrus to me. Oh, I'm excited to use that. So, oh, it seems like it's really soft and foamy. So I am really impressed with the Lavish bath box this month. Their themes are always on point. They really have, all the items really fit into the theme. Sometimes I find that the quality of some of the products aren't as amazing. They may look really cool, but when you get in the bath, like one really important thing for me in the bath is that it makes the water really soft, and sometimes some of the products just don't give me like the lush like level of water softness that I prefer. But anyway, so for $46 you get a bath bomb, a bath soak, a bubble bar, dusting powder, another bath bomb, and a sugar scrub. I'm so excited to use all of these products. If you like bath unboxings, I also subscribe to the Bath Bevy subscription, and that will usually ships at the beginning of the month, so within a couple weeks here I should have that posted. If you're into subscription unboxing videos, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of unboxings coming up. In a minute here I'll be unboxing the Target box for this month, and I can link some of the other videos I've done at the end of the video. And if you enjoyed the Lavish bath box unboxing, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.